take a look at how to add and edit images in your WordPress posts and WordPress pages. Now the first thing you need to do is add some content to your WordPress blog. So I'm going to click on the post that I have in my sample WordPress blog, and I'm going to click on edit, and I can see my WordPress post right here. So I'm going to add an image to my WordPress post just by placing the cursor where I want the image to be inserted, and then click on this icon here that says add an image. So here you can see that I can either choose files to upload, or I can list an image from a particular URL on some other website. Or if I've already uploaded images to my WordPress blog, then I can select the images from the media library. But since this is my first time adding an image, so I'm going to just upload an image from my computer. And I'm just going to choose the image that I want, and I'm going to browse by thumbnails. So it will help me to really see which are the related images that I may want to put on my blog. So I'm going to select this image, and it'll automatically upload the image. Now, however, if this is the first time you are uploading an image to your WordPress blog, then you may get an error message like this that says unable to create directory at WP content uploads, and is the parent directory writable by the server. What this means is that the WP content folder does not have the correct access permissions. So what you need to do is connect your FTP program to your web host, and when that's done, just browse on to public HTML folder and select the WP content folder as you can see here, and change the file permissions. Now depending on your web hosting account, the settings here may be drastically different, but I'm going to enter 777, right? And I'm going to click on OK. So now that I've set the correct access permissions to the WP content folder, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to select files, and I'm going to find the file that I wanted and click on open. And you can see that the image has been uploaded to my WordPress blog. So there are a few things here that I may want to edit. I may want to edit the title. You can also give your image a caption. You may want to give your image a description and a link URL. A link URL, this is a section that you only need to edit if you want this image to link to a website. Otherwise, you can just leave this as blank. And the most important thing that you need to edit here is the alignment of the image. So for example, if I wanted to align this image to the left, I'll just select left, and also I can choose if I want to display the full size image or just display a thumbnail of the image. Now if you choose thumbnail, the image will become automatically clickable, and when someone clicks on the thumbnail image, they would be taken to the full size image. So I just want to display the thumbnail image for now, and I'm going to click insert into post. And this is how the image would look like in my blog post. Remember that I've chosen to align this image to the left, and I've chosen to display only the thumbnail of the image, and I've also put in a caption for the image. So if I want to edit this image now, all I need to do is put my mouse over the image, or if that doesn't work, just click on the image and you'll see two icons that appear here. The rightmost one is to delete the image, but we're talking about the left one here. To edit the image, click on that, And this will open up the main image editing menu and options right here, where you can still add a link to the image if you want, and you can choose the thumbnail size simply by clicking and dragging the scale here, and you can see the live preview as the image size decreases accordingly or increases accordingly, right? And I can also change my alignment if I want, so I'm going to change it to the right. And at the top section here, you can select some of the advanced settings, and here you can see the actual location of the image once it has been uploaded to your WordPress blog. And you can also edit the size of the thumbnail if you want. You can give it a border, some vertical space or horizontal space. But if you don't know what all this option means, then you can just leave it blank, and you can just and leave the images as they are. If you want your images to open up in a new window, then make sure you click on this option, and when you're satisfied, click on update. And now you can see that my image has been aligned to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this post. So my post has been updated, and I can either go back and add more images to other posts, or I can just choose to visit my site and see how this post looks like. And here you can see my blog post with the image very neatly aligned to the right, and it looks good, and it also has a caption here. So that's how you upload and edit images in your WordPress blog. Let's take a look at how to add and edit images in your